Say hi to Popo. Say hi to Popo.
Hi, Popo.
What do you want to say to her?
She's not saying hi.
Well, she's watching you. She'll send you back a message and say hi. What do you want to say to Popo?
I want to say I drink my chocolate milk.
Okay, tell her. Talk to her.
I drink my chocolate milk, Popo.
And what else? What did you do today?
I made a cake.
You made a cake?
Oh, my kitchen.
With Mimi? Oh, you made a pretend cake?
Yeah, pretend cake.
You want to show Popo your kitchen?
Uh-huh.
Go ahead, go show your kitchen.
Kitchen. This is my beautiful cake. Sprinkles on it.
Oh, it's lovely.
And our cake is for Nora. Sprinkles on it.
No fighting, guys. Look, Kaya, talk to Popo.
Hi, Popo. Nora ate my cake, so she's not being a good girl.
Are you going to go visit her one day?
Uh-huh. Hi, Popo.
You want to say hi? Look at me, Nora. Say hi, Popo.
Hi, Popo.
Say, I want to see you.
I see you.
Love you.
I love you.